Hey friends, GATORMOM here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day. Today I am sharing with you the gorgeous Lily Jade Crossbody Wristlet. Alright friends, I am obsessed with this crossbody wristlet. I love it. You guys know I love Lily Jade. I've loved them forever, but this crossbody wristlet is everything I've ever wanted from Lily Jade. I have over here their regular wristlets, which I'll show you kind of briefly. I have it in brandy. I also have here a black one and I love them, carry them all the time, but it was missing a crossbody. I was longing for that so many times. I would just throw this kind of wristlet strap over my wrist and go, but I really wanted it to have a crossbody. So when they came out with this crossbody option on their awesome, super soft, squishy leather wristlets, I was stoked. I was so happy, and I'm really excited because it still comes with the wristlet strap if you don't want to use the crossbody strap. So let's talk about the strap for just a second. They did such a good job designing this and the detail of this. I love the gold chain. You can dress it up or dress it down, like throw it on with a pair of leggings and like sneakers, or you can totally dress this up for sure. Now, if you don't want to use this crossbody strap, like I said earlier, you can totally detach it over here and use it just as like a little grab and go. I do this a lot if I'm carrying a bigger bag and I want to just throw this in there, but I want the option to also throw it on crossbody. It's a great kind of versatile option that you can really grab and go. You also have the option to adjust it. So if you're shorter or taller, you have that flexibility to adjust it a couple of different lengths there. So onto the actual wristlet, there's a couple of changes inside from their traditional one. This here is in the Old English leather. They also have this one available in black as well. From the outside, you wouldn't think that there's much difference from their traditional wristlet here. I'll let you guys kind of peek inside here just so you can see. It is just an open pouch, if you will, their old wristlets here. Now, in this one, they have gone ahead and sewn in a piece that acts as a wallet. So not only is it like a little bag that you can grab and go like wristlet style, you can also use it as a wallet. And I love that because I don't need to put in a little card case or a little wallet into this. It's already built in right there into the bag. So that's another main difference in this one compared to their other wristlets. So I'll go ahead and just pull stuff out and kind of show you what I have packed up in here to give you an idea of what fits in here. I have my iPhone just tucked in this back flap here. I have a loopy case, so it kind of sticks out a little bit, but of course, no issues going in there. That is just kind of tucked back here in this flap of the wallet insert, if you will. I tend to just leave this open and have it for like my phone, or sometimes I'll put my keys back there. If I don't have anything in there, I can just open up and push this wallet piece off to the side. So inside this main part, really quickly, I have my big O Venture key ring and all of my keys on there. I also have like a little RX bar and a little fruit strip here, just like a snack. And then I have a receipt from Target today. Then I have a chapstick, a hand cream, a bunch of little stuff. Tons fit in here. I have one of these little emergency vitamin C packs I've been taking, a lip oil and a pen. And you can obviously even put more than what I have in here inside. Advil and a hair tie, just all stuff for me. Then over here in the wallet part, I'll show you guys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots. And in a couple of them, I actually have 2 cards. So I have 2 cards in this one and 2 cards in that one. So they are a little bit like wider so that you can do that. But I have all of the credit cards that I need right there. And then you also have a little zipper pocket over here, which is perfect for cash or coupons, whatever, like little punch cards. I put coins in there if I have them for my kids. So it's just a good little pocket in addition to your card holder over here on the side. So that's everything I have inside. I also wanted to show you guys what it would look like with one of their crossbody straps. If you wanted to have something a little bit thicker, you totally could do that because you have the option to detach and attach whatever type of strap that you want. This is one of their sold separately messenger straps, and you guys, it's so cute. The quality is like amazing. It's a really, really strong strap, and it looks so good with black You can also pair it, of course, with the Old English that I have here, and then their traditional brandy. It looks pretty stunning with also. So that just kind of gives you guys an idea. If you haven't seen these straps yet, you could totally pair them with these wristlets and they would look really good. So there you have it. Quick little video to show you guys this cutie. I love it. I love the Old English leather. It's so crazy soft, and I think you definitely need one. So if you have any questions or comments, as always, leave them below and I will talk to you guys later.